Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Ranger Center console. We'll start by identifying common problems, such as a wobbly lid or broken latch. Many consoles suffer from worn-out hinges or cracked plastic, often due to years of use. Understanding these issues is the first step to a successful repair. We'll cover everything from minor fixes to more involved replacements, ensuring your console is sturdy and functional again for many more miles. Before diving into the repair, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small socket set, typically ranging from 8 to 15 millimeters. Consider having a plastic pry tool to prevent scratching. Also, acquire any necessary replacement parts, like new hinges or a fresh latch. Always disconnect your vehicle's battery as a safety precaution, especially if working near electrical components. Now, let's get to the repair. Begin by carefully removing the console lid and any visibly damaged components. Use your pry tools to gently unclip trim pieces. When installing new hinges or latches, ensure they are perfectly aligned for smooth operation. For minor cracks, a strong epoxy or plastic welding kit can provide a durable fix, restoring structural integrity. Take your time with each step for the best results. With the repairs complete, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reattach all components, ensuring every screw and clip is secure. Test the console lid and storage compartments multiple times to confirm smooth operation and a firm closure. Finally, consider applying a quality plastic protectant to shield your console from UV damage and keep it looking new. This simple step helps extend its life for many more years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.